So welcome everybody to our Tea Time Thursdays with the Fox Tribe. And I hope happy New Year. What else is possible for everyone in this room, in this Zoom room. And yes, welcome to our Tea Time Thursdays. And I hope you have your favorite beverage beside you, whether that is coffee, tea, or juice. Diba? And we also just want to remind you of our Zoom etiquette and guidelines to keep the background noise to a minimum or kindly mute your microphone if you are not speaking. And also be mindful of your video and screen sharing options or settings. We also encourage you to use the reaction button, clap, or thumbs up when you agree to certain points raised by our speaker, or raise hand function if you also have a question that you would like to ask, or simply type it down at the chat box and um, one of our hosts will get to you. Okay. And we also encourage everyone to participate fully in our sessions. Tea Time Thursday is one of the play space in the Fox Tribe, and this is to create a space for people to learn and to have more possibilities in life. And also, this is a space for you to promote whatever it is that you're doing or you love to do that you would like people to know. That is also a contribution. And what's in it for us? The Fox Tribe has a leverage business with DXN International. And if you enjoy our community and culture, and if you feel like it's light and fun for you to join us, we are also inviting you to our tribe. So we don't just have fun, but at the same time, we also earn in a sustainable way. So our guest for today is a Sunya Red Belt Practitioner or a Sunyati. And she's also the Service Center Digos and Jensen Assistant and Representative. And she's an animal lover and also an animal hearer or probably animal whisperer. So without further ado, let me introduce to you our guest, Fox Goddess. Well, not a guest actually. Home court niya to eh. So our Fox Goddess Jabez Alianza to talk about playing with animals. Welcome, Jabez.
Okay na. Nawala siya ganina. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Ate Tina, for the intro. And good afternoon, everyone. And everybody. And to those na walang bodies. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting. And sana we can enjoy this topic together because this is something that I really love to talk about, mga animals. And personalized talk lang good ni siya karon. Gusto na ko kanang free flowing and para dili ko awkward. So yon, where to start? Siguro i-start na ko sa why do I like wala nasa digos ang mga miming tita Jenny. Mga dogs ang nandito. Why do I like animals? Because first, I feel connected with them. I like nature so much and I like animals, and I feel like something they like to contribute good energetically with us, and they give that sense of companionship. Sa to sense, parang companionship lang yung binibigay nila, but later on as we learn about tools, mga as we get to experience life with them, I learned na they are not just companions, but they like cats, nag-contribute sila in a sense na sa energy. They try to protect you. Also, and dogs, they they contribute also in a way. They protect you sa physical world, and also I read na sa book ni ni Gary na they also they are surrogates. They kasi tawag kanang if you ever feel ill, they take it from you. They ma-perceive nila from you thoughts, feelings, and emotions, and mag-manifest sa lahat ng atong illness. So in a sense, you can observe them sa kung kay pet na i-observe nimo if feeling unwell siya. Basig sa imuha da ito, baka sa'yo yun na may kailangan ka palang i-heal sa'yo kasi they take that from you. They want to make your lives better. They love you so much na gusto nila happy ka lang, ganyan. I'm sorry. Wait lang po ha. Sorry, sa to. Asa na gaya ko?
Them as surrogates.
There are surrogates kanang they get it from you if they are ill, marag. Not necessarily na they are ill because sa ilahang ginakaon or whatever, but sometimes, most of the time, it's they get it from the owners. So yun. And next, diba? They really are fun to be with. sa fun mismo kanang they celebrate with you. You are happy, they perceive that same they will when you are happy ano pa sila kanang magara-gara. Kanang they will play with you kanang gusto nila mag-celebrate lang, so murag with them life is a celebration murag nga na. No matter what you have or what you don't have, they will celebrate with you if you have that energy. And also pag sad ka, they will also perceive that mas like sad, they will try to comfort you. And isa pa ba, they really just make our lives better, di ba? I can't imagine a world na walay animals. Kay murag nauna gid na sila sa humans diri sa earth. Gift gid sila. Murag feeling nako gipagwa ko sa ang earth bago ta naabot na humans or humanites sa earth kay para ma-enjoy na to ang nature and ang animals. And ano sorry. Kanang experience nako with them, like tung sick ko na I have a dog na kanang gina-check gid ko niya pirmi, like from time to time gina-check ko niya kay na toy time dati nasa ganahan ko sa sala lang ko matulog, so dito ko nagstay niya na siya sa sulod gina na dead rat hatag ang new cat. Oo, naapod na siya sa sa book na kanang nag-offer sila kay they want to make you happy. Ana si Gary kanang love kanila ng offerings bitaw. So para sa imuha mura siya dirty kay mga dead rat ana lang gina-offer. But sa ilaha gift dito nila for you. Oh, and then so going back sa katong kanang they really want to make you feel better bitaw. Tapos sa kanang sa dogs kanang maghulat sila ini kagabi na makauli ka, and then kanang makontento ra sila pag naa ka, they're really just happy to be around with you. So feeling is mutual. Next is isa pa ba, with cats kay they are kanang they invite bitaw, they drive away mga bad entities and also they invite good entities to surround us kay they also kanang protection nila energetically. Si Gary po gi-cite po na niya sa book. And yes, asa pa ba? sorry naman. And really ang animals kay kanang they live they know what they like and they know what they want, so they have a way na to get that. They will ask really from you, so they will communicate. And sometimes kanang when we are unaware murag feeling nato naganag, they're just nagging but they actually are asking for something. And there are times na kanang kuan bitaw, when they want something and you don't give it to them, kanang they will kanang murag abi nimo kanang mangguba na sila gamit, you think that they are idiots or kanang murag kanang pain in the ass, mga something nga na nga ugali, but it's really just you who isn't listening to them, to what they want and what they need. Bitaw, we have a dog like that before, kanang gibili na mo sila murag 1 day or 2 days, pero nagbili mig food, gipakaon na mo sila, nagbili mig food para makaon sila, na kanang nya kanang dili siya ganahan ginatali siya or ginabilin niya, feeling niya dugay mi nakauli, so pag uli na mo kanang gigugot niya, giguba niya tanan tong table. As in wala gid siya ano, or pag naa siya something na gusto, kanang mga yung mga nakasampay namin na gamit na damit, kinukuha niya, sinisira niya. So yeah, they really like to get your attention, mga anak. And also pag when they are sick, you can actually ask them, well, do you need this, or gusto mo ba is this what you like, or will this contribute to you, will this heal you? Kasi I also read from Gary's book na bright jud ang mga animals, they know how to heal themselves. Actually, we just need to support them, na we give them what they need to para ang body mag-heal, just like sa human body na it is designed na mag-regenerate siya. Kailangan lang niya og proper mga ano and also the tools of access nga. Tapos na at time bitaw na ang nagkasakit ang dog. I shared this with Ate Darlene. Kanang I didn't know what to do kay murag 3 days na siya hindi kumakain, and I I can't force feed him kasi among the dogs na mo murag there are 3 or 4 na I really can't force feed kay mamaak. Bisag unsa sila kaluya, mamaak yun sila pag i-force. And so wala ko ilaing mabuhat. So I tried the access clearing. I asked him if what I asked him kung ano ang kanyang ang uneasiness niya sa iyang body. At the time dili until now I sometimes can't kanang get if their answers kasi 'di ba they telepathically. I still need more practice pa, pero you get the energy. So I asked him na do you want to destroy that? Ganyan, and create so I got a yes jud. So gibalik-balik lang pud nako to. So after a day pagkaugma, nagkaon na siya, and he's really kanang balik na gustong something sa iyang na nawala. Kanang amazing kayo maputo ingon ni Gary na even if you don't get the tools or think that they are not working, pero when you use them regularly, pag makita nimo na naagid siya effect, and you will get the information na you just have to trust it na nga na. And usa pa ba kanang there are times na actually start ato ginagamit na gina-apply na nako siya sa akong other dogs, and sometimes pag kanang sa body na jud ang kailangan, I go with using the DXN products na kay makatabang gid siya anang feeling vet manggod ko sa mga so I use it to prevent them na magkasakit, or pag na-adjoy magkasakit na, like katong si Serene kanang grabe na gid siya, naglamig na iyang whole body kay ang iyang blood flow siguro niya ba dili na magtarong, naglamig na iyang ears, iyang nose, sa na siya kanang dili na siya motindog, nagaihi na lang siya sa iyang iyang place. So di force feed nako og kuan, ang gigamit na gid ako is spirulina GL o Andro G, gi-mix na ko sa milk para tas kuan jud to that time kanang napakoy exam ato sa accounting. Accountancy pa ko ato na time. Kanang dili ko kanang gi-give up nako kay gipulawan jud nako siya, kay mas love jud nako siya. Naayo ra siya. Like dako gid kayong tabang ang ato ang products pod sa animals kay dili, though trust your vet pod no, kay dili mo ko expert pa sa science na ano. I'm only sharing what I have experienced yun. And naapod sa naman meat chickens dati, gigamitan ako sa laog. Atong first batch sa among chicks kay ako yung nag-alaga nagpadako. Ginapainom ako sa premi og kuan, GL and Andrew G. Ulay namatay sa ilaha. Kay normally magud na ay mamatay na kanang magkasakit. Kato sila na batch is very healthy. Nice jud. And then kuan animals kanang they will speaking from they know what they want. Pag nakaipakaon sa ilaha and if they don't like it, they really won't eat it. And sa supplements kanang they don't resist it that much kasi sa mga meds bitaw na kay naka-try man pud mig pavet before na kailangan og kanang meds. And actually nabasa na ako sa book ni Gary Douglas. Ang this is not ano ha kanang parang para i-discourage na magpa-vet sa chemicals sa ano kasi 'di ba mga chemicals man ang ilahang reseta, so pag resetahan mo sila og pagpainom mo naman sa og tambal murag pag sa humans na murag ma-distort ang chemical. Dili na ko siya ma-explain, nakalimot ko sa term niya. Basta ang chemical component sa body mo siya ma-change and murag i-replicate siya sa body na basta malahi siya. So murag dili gid siya totally maayo sa meds. So same food siya sa dogs, ingana pud ay sa animals. Kay di ba sa human sa ato ana mas basta maayo pag natural ang ato ang eat ginagamit magkasakit but maayo dayon like kung magkasakit man dili taas in very luya. So ingana pud ang ang mga hayop. I like that. Tapos sorry sa noise. Yeah. And next thing is kanang animals will know bitaw na if you are safe. Sometimes ay kanang ma-feed ako ang ego ba ay kay nagduol siya sa kuha butan ko ay kanang nice akong energy. Ego ba na or what basta malingaw ko kay like atong time na sa farm me ana si papa na katong mga baby cows bitaw didto kanang walay makaduol because they are very aloof sa humans. Tapos ako kay I tried yun na to them to befriend them and murag I think energy ra to po na energy speaks and they read that and we were friends na. Kanang I have that connection jud with animals na kanang wala ma-befriend nako sila, feeling nako kanang we feel safe with each other and we feel like home. Kanang ingon na bitaw o lingaw kayo and really kanang basta mga hayop na jud dili lang gid sila kanang before namang go teaching before na mura sila beast there sa Bible pa na or something sa mga ano na dili, but I do not buy that because it doesn't speak true to me. Kanang ever since I was little I really would think that they are sentient beings, they can feel, they understand us and they really communicate with us and I think in the coming years we will have more information about that and we will be able to communicate more effectively and more clearly with them kasi I think we are evolving energies. Also animals nag-evolve pud sila and yeah animals also they like love and to be loved. Sa ano na I don't know sa mga basta sa term kanang they like kanang to be cared and they like to care for you, they really like to contribute and also Gary said na they are more receptive, they receive more sometimes than us kay they have we have more judgments bitaw, so kita dili tayo maka-receive but they can. And also I read from the book na like katong ma-perceive nila ato ang thoughts, feelings and emotions. Also naapod sila ano pwede ay mga projections and judgments ana. But we can help them clear that. So sa ibang class na siya. Oh yeah, lingaw actually, lingaw ang libro. And kanang it's the most fun book I've read. Wala pa na ako siya nahumando. Kay wala na kanang lingaw na nalingaw na ko though dagan kog na learn na yeah na, it rings true kay mao di murag makaisip ka ba na mao di ay ngani ngana like sa ano kana sa everyday life kanang like also they have traumas na po dahil sila yung ana na maka-help like katong giano ni Ate Zai katong sa to MBSS ba to na siya sa book. Nabasa na ko siya. So lingaw ang processes and MTVSS, yeah. Na siya sa foundation, no? Sa foundation na. So I think more akong ma-share today. I don't know how to end it properly. Thank you. Oh yeah, mga body processes. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you sa tanan na maka watch pa ani in the future. Thank you so much.
Yay! Thank you so much, Bez. Ayan. What else is possible? Wait lang. Ano muna natin ito? Okay. Gallery. So thank you so much, Bez. That was really wonderful information. And it's great to hear from your experience kasi dagan pud kog mga ahas in term of ahas aha moments in terms of what you just shared to us regarding our animals. So, diba? So, yung how they are actually surrogates as well. And so, yeah, diba? So, kanang, actually, we noticed that pod, diba, na kanang, pag na kay gina-feel sila ang magbati. So, murag ana. And, mo to siya. So, they surrogate your pain. So, parang they take on your pain and they, para sa imuha dili maadto so sila ha magadto, di ba? So yon. And it's really nice to also hear about what they could contribute to us and how can we contribute to them and basically co-creating and playing with them. So thank you so much, Jabez, among the rest. And Jabez among the rest. Ayan. So, maugid na ang request. Maugid na ang request. So, can we rhyme it sa mest? So, Happy New Year, everybody. And anybody who has questions to Jabez or you have questions or feedback, anything, anything else, anything else you'd like to, you can just unmute yourself, Darlene. Nagkasa siya sa taas. And Zai. Thank you, Jujubez. So also nice to add on the gift of our DXN products to your pets as well, especially if they're feeling something in their bodies. So always safe to eat good ang ato ang mga GL and spirulina, yes, and Andro GDI. So I think that was an add-on for me because I think most of the time it's only GL and spirulina on our end. Ayun. So thank you so much, Bez, for sharing and for opening the space this year for Tea Time Thursday. So si Jabez at ang opener, she is season 3 episode 1 for Tea Time Thursdays. And so happy kay May when we hear from you. We would like to honor and acknowledge you for sharing your fun time with with the animals and how it could actually contribute to having ease when it comes to having pets at home, 'di ba? And yun. Lingaw kayo imong stories. Yes, what else is possible? And lingaw imong mga gipang share na mga tools. So, thank you so
Ako na
much.
question.
Yes, what's the question?
Kanang unsa imong experience best kanang with animals and yung non-physical entities kay kami na may usa ka dog na ay times nga magsige siya bark and the whole night. Tapos kana ganing nagtan-aw siya sa isa ka part sa area sa among place nga mga bamboo area to. Tapos wala man may makita nga tawo or whatever na physical. So ana mi naa siguro something siya nga nakita or whatever. Pero yung ana whole evening jud siya tapos until morning tapos mag-stop na siya sa morning.
Actually, naka-try ko ana before, pero dili pa mo ko kayo exposed sa mga tools na to. So, nahadlok gud ko that time.
Ikaw di ba?
So, I think murag gipa-stop na ako siya og bark. Comfort na ko siya. Tapos murag, that time murag, ano man gud siya, diba ka ng, gipahawa na kong entity. I think, you're not welcome here. Murag, nag-anak ko kung naamay entity nila. Kaya as in bago ra man gud ko na ano sa mga entities kay talawan jud kay ko sa una. So murag dili pa ko receiving sa sa ana nga ano, pero naana siya sa libro ni ano ni Gary. Wala pa na ko na ano na reach to siya na chapter. I have yet to read that one. Pero lingaw yata the topic. Creatures of the night, yeah.
Creatures of the night. Ah, sige.
Dili ana sa ko darling.
Okay. Tas ako mo affirm ko kay kana pod ako experience sa animals, especially ako cats. Yang naatoy one time for example nga na ay na dead nga rescue miming kanang gamay nga miming. Sometimes ang good lisod mag-survive ang gamay nga miming kay kailangan pa siya magdede, di ba? Sa mami. So basically namatay nga gamay nga ano rescue. And then naami isa ka cat na adult na siya. Usually ano, suplada yan siya. Hindi yan siya magpapet, hindi siya maglapit. Pero that time, as in, nagdig kasi ako ng grave. Ay, hindi, actually, nung katong gipangita na ako tong miming, nawala man gud siya. Tapos kana ganing nagaulan, tapos stormy, ano, katawanan kayo to nga scene kay. Tapos ano na ako na medyo naghilak na ako kay whole day na nako siya gipangita. Tapos finally nahanap ko na yung miming, tapos dead siya no. Tapos medyo oy na kanang nasad ko. So, siya ano siya, nag-hop siya sa lap ko. Tapos wala ko niya gibiyaan until nag-stop ko mag-cry. Tapos the next day, katong nagdig ko grave for the miming, naagyod siya dito sa kong tapad the entire time. As in, tapos nag-ritual ko dito, for the baby miming. Tapos dito na lang siya nihawa. Tapos balik na siya sa iyang pagka, ano, antisocial. Lingaw lang kayo.
Wow, I love those shares about your experiences with the animals and the entities that they could perceive. And I am sure daghan gid na because here also at home daghan pud kaayog mga kanang iyon anang activities. So we usually katupad yung awo dili siya bark lang. Kanang ano ba siya? So kanagong sa mga movies nga magsabay-sabay og awo o diba sa middle of the night. Alas 12 o alas 3 sa buntag, di ba? But yeah, recently though, ang among dogs wala na nagaana, only the neighbors. Gusto may pwede sad, di ba? Masig ka ng ano lang, nag-conversation lang sila with each other. So yes, I'm looking forward to learn more information and I'm sure Jabez will have our part 2 as she finishes her book and have more experience or kanang dagan pag mga ma-share regarding animals and how we could communicate with them and at the same time, like the things na dili na to maintindihan, at least we have more awareness of what else is possible with the pets and animals that we have. So thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who's co-creating the Tea Time Thursdays call. Next week we have Miss Hannah Alnawami to talk about clearing your space using our DXN household products, or yeah, and that will be next week. And also the third week ng Tea Time Thursdays, we also have a guest from BNI community, and his business is all about barcode or online inventory system. So if you have friends uh, who would yung manual pa ang kanilang inventory system, and maybe it's time to upgrade, so that when you upgrade, you actually allow more money to show up kasi it's gonna be more ease for you. And if you want an affordable inventory system, if you have a traditional business, it's really fun kasi ang subscription niya is only 500 a month, pinakabarato, which is 500 products. Pero kung less than 500, mga 10 or 20 ka products lang ang sayo, it's free. Ayan. So ayun. So, don't worry, the call is free. The tea time call is free. It's only when you buy the system, yung monthly niya na program, yun yung may cost. So, you could actually also cancel it anytime. Wala siya ka ng lock-in nga dapat 1 year. Wala siyang ganon. So, yan, yung system lang ang fee. Thank you, Darlene, for encoding that. And tomorrow, our 7-day challenge is starting at the Foxabilities Lifestyle Program. And we will start off with clearing our space with Hannah. So Hannah will be sharing again about cleaning. Oh my gosh. Ako at ang number 1 student sa cleaning. So, yun. And on the 7 days, there will be discussions about crystals for the new year, which will be talked about by Ms. Zai. And yung day 2, day 3 natin is gonna be question, choice, and possibilities with me. And then day 4 is Darlene, a letter for change. Day 5 is Sunya. Day 6 is Ate Jenny, art journals. And I think day 7, I forgot. Ano yung day 7. So it's gonna be a lot about like anong tools na pwede natin to create and choose our 2022. No? So jump back tayo sa January 2022. How does it get any better than that? And thank you for your awesome contributions with the team. And message us if you have any ideas, or if you want to be featured, like your business is gonna be featured sa Tea Time Thursdays. Let us know. We have available slots for February hanggang December. O diba, mag-booking na tayo. So ayan, ready na ang lahat. So yes, sending contributions to everybody. Let's do a 4. Ay, 1, 2, 3 na lang, no? Let's do a 1, 2, 3 for all. So that, whatever it is that you're asking for year 2022, everything that is, so we send it to everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So 4 good. So, yon. Thank you, everyone. And daghan mo gold ang nails. Daghan mo gold ang nails. Yay. Awesome. I love that. Thank you, everyone. And see you tomorrow, 10 a.m., 7-day Foxabilities Lifestyle Challenge. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Jabez, for taking the call and honoring you. Bye.